Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of ChatGPT Prompt Engineering. Today, you will learn how to craft the perfect prompts to get the best responses that you expect from the platform. So, without losing any time, let's start. First things first, let's talk about the structure of a prompt. A well-crafted prompt is like a key to unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT and get the most out of it. So, it's all about efficiency. But what are the main components of a prompt? Each prompt should contain at least a primary component, which is either instructions or questions. Now let's try a simple example of each type. Here is an instructional prompt. Please do for me a comparison between a personal computer and a laptop. And here is a question prompt. Could you give me the list of top 5 countries in the world by population? Now this type of prompts are very simple and it is used by average users as if they are using Google search. They can get almost the same results by typing into Google top 5 countries in the world by population. Therefore, this is not the way to get the most out of ChatGPT. Therefore, we need to improve it. But how? You can add one or more of the following components to it. Context, parameters, format. Now, let's add some format statements to the previous example. Could you give me the list of top 5 countries in the world by population? Put them in a table with 2 columns, country, population. As you can see, the output is now more organization and professional and in the format that we want. Now, let's see this example. What is artificial intelligence? Now, let's add some context to the beginning of the question to explain it in a different way based to the initial context as follows. Let's assume that you have to explain the following question to a person with no knowledge about computers or IT at all. What is artificial intelligence? As you can see, the explanation has been simplified. So even a person with no computer knowledge can understand it. Now, let's try to add parameters. Please write for me an article about using computers in marketing. It should be between 800 and 1,000 words. Finally, let's have a complete example of all the components mentioned earlier. Imagine that you are a professional journalist. This is the context. Please write for me an article about air pollution. This is the instructions. It should be between about 1,500 words. This is a parameter. And should be an academic format. And this is the desired format of the article. Of course, this is a basic efficient prompt structure. We can add more optional components to it, so it can produce much more professional results. This will be added later onto this channel, therefore subscribe and like the video to not miss any future videos. Bye for now.